Good afternoon, my name is Brent Panham. This is a KI video for ECE 342. I am not in the ECE 312 or ECE 332 classes this semester, so I'll just be talking about this topic. We learned about a radio transmitter and receiver circuit. So it includes a bandpass filter, a power amplifier, a mixer, and an amp. There's also a low-pass filter thrown in there. So the signal comes in through the antenna and then through the diplexer. The diplexer is what chooses between receiving or transmitting for the antenna. So in this case, we're receiving the signal. So it goes in through the bandpass filter, which selects a certain band of frequency, which is the one we want to look at. Then it goes through a power amplifier, because let's say the signal comes in at 1 volt, we can raise it to 3 volts so that we have more detail on the signal. At this point we have a lot of noise, so we can use the 312 concept, which is attenuation, which is basically combining a high frequency wave with the input wave. So instead of the wave looking like this, it looks like this. I can include the diagram right here. And also here's the diagram for the actual circuit. Anyway, that signal comes in, it's amplified, then it's attenuated, then it goes through a mixer, and there's a lot of noise, so we can use a low pass filter to cancel out some of the noise. And I'm also found out FM signals are more precise because they use a higher frequency and they sound better compared to AM signals. I really think it's cool how we learned in Chen's KI lecture that there's this tank that is composed of a capacitor and an inductor. The capacitor holds the electric field and the inductor holds the magnetic field, and this tank holds the electromagnetic energy, and I thought that was pretty cool. I also thought it was pretty cool how there are these things called variable capacitors or varrectors or whatever those things are called. On to antennas from 342. My favorite antenna is the Marconi antenna, which looks like this. Oh wait, I mean like this. And that's my favorite antenna because it was one of the first ones and it was used in radios in the very beginning. There are various antennas we learned about and we had to write about them in our KI pre-work in question 4. And also there's a field that is formed around an antenna that looks like a donut, and it looks like this. This is a conclusion of my KI video, KI 4 for ECE classes, ECE 342 specifically. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.